Hi, and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. Now, I saw some interviews that people had on Music Connection, which I have a lifetime subscription to. It was like years ago. I went there and I participated in, I think, some kind of fundraiser, and I won. I won a free subscription, so I'm reading all the time, honey. So, the interviews were people who are singing and they're on tour, and the question was, what do you do to keep yourself in shape and to take care of your voice? So a lot of them mention sleep. They mention to get a lot of sleep so that when you want to perform, you want to be at your best. And sometimes if you don't have enough rest, you're not at your best. If you're going to record, if you're going to have to do a live show, oh my gosh, you want to look good. You don't want to have bags, honey. So a lot of these people had mentioned getting enough sleep. Now, a lot of times people will ask me, well, do you have any problems with food, something that creates mucus? Everybody's different. So I have my coffee. I love my cream in my coffee. And I'm going to drink my coffee and I can go and sing it. I have no problem. Now, maybe you have a problem with lactose intolerance. You have some other issue of food that just gets caught in your throat. Chocolate, maybe, I do not have chocolate before I sing. That can trip me up a bit. Yeah. Are you like me? Well, what can I say? So, you're different. Or maybe you're the same as somebody else and you concur with them. Whatever it is that you got to know what it is for you that trips you up when you go to sing. Also, what time of the day is your voice in really great shape? So you want to be up about 2 hours before you sing. You've got to be warm. It's like going to the gym. I'm not going to go first thing in the morning, but yeah, after I'm up a few hours, I like going to the gym in the morning. I love it. Now I go sort of in the afternoon because I've got other things to do, but I'm okay. I adjusted to it and I'm just fine. But your voice, you want to make sure that if you're going to record, especially if you're going to record, you can choose a time that's going to be best for you. So whether it's a live performance and you've got to be your best, whether it's going into the studio, you can choose the time there. Know when your voice is going to respond for you, okay? When it's a live performance, a lot of times it's going to be in the evening. You can't choose that. So you're going to have to be very versatile. And the way that you're going to be versatile with your voice is that you're warmed up. I keep saying this, you've got to practice. So you've got to work on your exercises. Use songs, easy songs, and warm up exercises in order to get your voice in shape. And it's going to have a certain amount that it's going to give you at all times if you've been working it and you've been consistent with your voice. It's like anything in life. Consistency is going to make all the difference. So don't cheat yourself when you're not doing things and not warm up the voice and then challenge the voice. Don't let that go. You've got to keep working at it. And then the voice is going to respond. Say somebody asked you to sing off the cuff. Well, are you ready? Or are you going to be behind the 8 ball because you haven't been using your voice enough? Remember, the muscles have memory, but they got to remember something, right? So that means you've got to keep your muscles going. You've got to work at them with a consistency and a certain amount during the week in order to have them to respond for you no matter what, okay? Let's see, anything else? Well, you can let me know. What do you want to hear from me? What do you want me to talk about in the videos? Comments below. And the almighty subscribe, honey. The almighty subscribe. You got to do it. I want to keep going, All right? So let me know, again, what you want me to talk about. And I'm going to talk anyway. There's where it is. But I'd like to hear from you and and that you would let me know what you want to hear from me, okay? So, have a great day today, because it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, woo, yeah. Hey guys, bye.